How to download directions on Google Maps. Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make sure you have your directions ready to go in Google Maps even if you lose your connection. First, we need to pick a destination. Simply navigate to your final point in the map and then drop a pin. So for example, I'm going to drop a map right here or a pin right here. And then once that's marked, you're going to tap on this menu at the bottom. Now you will see here this more button, so you're going to have to click on that, and then from here you're going to click on download offline map. Now it is important to clarify one thing: you aren't just downloading a single line for your route. Google Maps actually downloads the entire area surrounding your path and destination. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and tap download to start the process right here at the bottom right corner. Now, depending on the size of the area that you've selected, like the section of this map I'm using, it might take a moment or two to finish. Just hang tight while the process bar completes. Once it's done, you're all set to navigate the area completely offline. And that's it. I hope this helps you stay on track during your next trip. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.